Mistplay doesn't replace free mobile gaming. It adds a reward system on top of it, but only for eligible games played through the app. By the end of this video, you'll know when switching to Mistplay makes sense, and when you're better off playing games normally. If you already spend time playing mobile games every week, Mistplay gives you the opportunity to earn rewards while doing something you already enjoy. Instead of downloading games directly from the Google Play Store, you install eligible titles through Mistplay and complete the required gameplay to earn points that can later be redeemed for available rewards. If you only play one favorite game every day, the decision is different. Mistplay focuses on eligible games in its own catalog. If your favorite game isn't available, or if you don't want to try new titles, switching to Mistplay may not add much value. The app works best for people who enjoy discovering different games, rather than staying with a single game for months. Another factor is flexibility. Playing games normally gives you complete freedom to install any title you want, whenever you want. Mistplay rewards only apply to games offered through its platform. That means you'll sometimes choose a game because it's eligible for rewards instead of simply because it's the game you were planning to play. You should also think about expectations. Mistplay isn't designed to pay you just for installing an app or opening a game for a few minutes. Rewards are tied to eligible gameplay, and available games vary by region, device, and account. If you're comfortable trying different games over time, the app can fit naturally into your gaming routine. If you're looking for instant rewards without changing how you play, you may end up disappointed. There's also no requirement to stop playing free games outside Mistplay. Many users combine both approaches. They use Mistplay when an interesting eligible game appears, then continue playing their regular games whenever they want. You don't have to choose one option permanently. Before switching, check the games currently available in your Mistplay account. If several titles genuinely interest you, trying the app makes sense. If none of the available games appeal to you, continuing to play normally is probably the better choice. The bottom line is simple. Mistplay is worth switching to if you already enjoy trying new mobile games and want rewards for eligible gameplay. If you only play a few specific games that aren't available through the app, staying with regular free gaming may be the better fit. Choose the option that matches your gaming habits, not just the promise of rewards. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more app comparisons, reviews, and gaming tips.